Hey everybody, Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee. Well, I am finally going to plant my pomegranate tree. So I had two pomegranate trees that I bought. They're from Dave Wilson Nursery that I got through IV Organic last year. And we had that Arctic freeze and they just didn't make it. These trees are zoned from 7 to 10 and I'm right in there, so it was just an anomaly that they didn't make it. So I got a replacement and I'm finally planting that today. So I'm going to get this in the ground. I have brought down the plant, which has been so patiently waiting for me to get to it, and it looks very healthy. I'm going to get it in the ground and then I'm going to come back and we're going to talk about how we're going to protect it with the 3-in-1 plant guard that protects against rodents, pests, and sunburn or sun scald. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get started. I'm actually going to go right back in the same hole because I had prepared the hole before. You know, I've beaten back the crabgrass and all of the grasses in the yard. So I'm going to go right back in the same hole. Didn't have anything to do with the hole because I have other trees that I planted. And so we're going to do that. I've got some IV Organic all-purpose fertilizer with 6 macronutrients, organic. That's going to go in with the compost that I brought down. Then we're going to treat the bush with the plant guard. So let's do it.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise.
You always find something interesting, you know? These are little, almost look like white peanuts, and they were at least 4 or 5 inches down. Now, are these eggs? They're certainly not seeds, so I don't know. I'm going to put them right here. Tell me what you think it is.
From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. Who we don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the
We are going to spray this whole bush with IV Organics 3-in-1 Plant Guard. Ready to use spray, protection against damaging sunburn, insects, and rodents. Now, because we're expecting much more rain, you ideally want to do this when you're not going to have rain right after. But I'm going to go ahead and spray this because the best time to use this is right after you plant it. Get that protection on right away. So I'm going to spray it, but I'm going to come back as the trunk develops. I'm going to come back and I'm going to use the paint-on products, which are much thicker and last longer. So this is the original sunburn whitewash for sun scald, sunburn, and then this is the 3-in-1 protection. So this is the same as this, but if you paint it on, you can get a thicker coat. So that's what we're going to do. This is a pomegranate tree, but you could use this on fruit trees, citrus trees, even ornamentals. You want to get those plants protected from the outset. You can probably see the whitish liquid. Okay. And this is all natural, so you don't have to worry about harsh chemicals getting on you, breathing them in. So Ivy Organic 3-in-1 Plant Guard Ready to Use Spray, protection against damaging sunburn, insects, rodents, use on roses, fruit, nut trees, ornamental trees, and shrubs. For use in organic productions, healthier than latex paint and tar-based products. So you definitely want to grab some of this at ivyorganic.com. And there's a bug right there. Oh, that's a sweat bee. So that's not horrible. Sweat bees won't do much damage.
Each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on. Yeah, I've still got Tennessee on my mind. Yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching me plant the pomegranate tree, and thanks so much for your support. Right now, May, you can get 5% off all of the products at Ivy Organic. So check it out, and don't forget to use my 10% discount code. So you're going to get a total of 15% off all their products for the rest of May, which is one more week. So you've got plenty of time to protect your plants from the heat of the summer and the pests. Check it out. I have never sweated this much doing a video. Absolutely 100% humidity dripping. Oh, here they come. You got to check out the kitties. BJ, Spot, you could have been helping me. Come on, Spot.